everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have new video for you all. In this video I'll show you how you can simply change address on NatWest app. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. So for the matter, the very first thing would be simply for you to access your particular mobile banking app on your mobile phone. Once you have done so, simply open it up and make sure you're logged in with the correct account where you would like to change your address from to. Right now, go ahead, tap on this profile icon that you can see on top right corner of the screen of your phone. Once you're tapped on it, you will be able to find this settings, including the my profile information on top, which includes the customer number, name for now, and you can see this edit button beside it. All you have to do is simply tap on that particular edit option. And here in this section, you're going to find this option of profile details, right? So it includes your number, your name, customer number, phone number, email, and address in bottom, which we need. So first of all, what you have to do is simply go ahead, tap on the address, and you should be able to change your address. But for whatever reason, if you cannot access it, the below section you can see online banking. To update your full details, please go to online banking. You can see if you cannot do any changes over here, you can tap on it and you're gonna go check on your details and again change it according to your need. Tap on save and update your online banking details. That is the way you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.